Hey guys, this is Josh of Basic Value, and for today we are going to be doing a video on how to create a PFP or profile picture here in Scratch. So I'm just going to do this for the sake of this tutorial. Please do not mind. So actually you can do it in here. Let's say I'm just going to go for a simple stickman. All right, I'm going to draw circle, perfect circle right here. All right, let's put it there. Let me draw a line. Let's take the outline a little bit big. So could do this, then a little bit thinner for the limbs. Okay. So far so good. All right. So with this said, let's give this dude a face. Okay. So I know it doesn't look much, but after this is just for the sake of the tutorial, but this is how you can create a profile picture in Scratch in the easiest way possible and in the fastest way possible. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one. This is your boy Josh, out.